When we talk about culture, we always think about the things that represent that culture, like dances, music, food, and people. We join culture with how act the people who belongs to this. People act respect some social laws and clearly respect some values that define each culture. The Americans have some values that can define their behavior. Also, the Americans have some things that are really representative for them, like Disney. When we talk about Disney, we instantly think about Mickey Mouse. Then, we can think if Mickey Mouse is part of the American culture, he has to represent the American values. And yes, we can find two values in Mickey Mouse: change and competition. If we think Mickey Mouse has had different changes since his first appear, and for the Americans, change means progress. Clearly, Mickey Mouse changes have meant progress in technology and design. For example, in 1928, when was Mickey Mouse first appeared, he hadn't shoes, both gloves, and the movie was in black and white. Then, in 1935, Disney implemented the Technicolor to Mickey Mouse cartoon, and at this point, Mickey Mouse has bigger ears, had shoes, and gloves. While time was going, Mickey Mouse was changing. In 2006, Mickey Mouse became part of the 3D technology. If we think, these changes show how the Americans have progressed during the time, and they are keep changing, always thinking about what they have to change to be better. Mickey Mouse also represents the competition between the Americans. He are always competing for the audience. The Americans think that competition brings out the best, and if we think it is true, if we look when we are competing to something, we always try to do the best that we can for win the competition. So in this case, Mickey Mouse producer are always compete for the audience. For example, the statistics shows that in May 6 to 12 of 2013, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse got 3.8 percentage of the American kids audience, while Jake and the Neverland Pirates got 3.9 percentage of the audience. The percentage in February 3 to 9 of 2014 was 2.9 to Mickey Mouse Clubhouse and 2.8 to Sofia the First. These percentages show that the competition in America is not easy, and the people have always been giving the best that they can if they want to be part of this society. For these reasons, we can say that Mickey Mouse is a clear representative of these two values, and therefore we can think that he is already part of the American culture. After talk about values, we have another thing that can describe Mickey Mouse as an American icon. It is the class, and we can compare it with another icon like Dora the Explorer. First of all, we have to know that we can divide the class between three aspects: political, cultural, and economic. And we can find these three aspects in two icons: Mickey Mouse and Dora. Mickey Mouse and Dora both have the three class aspects: political as an image of a company, cultural as the style that they have, and economic generating profits to a company. Political class can be defined as the power of influence the public process. Mickey Mouse and Dora both are a clear image for their own company. For example, if we are talking with a little kid and we ask he or she if we can relate Mickey Mouse to some channel, usually he or she is going to say Disney. And in the same way, if we ask to them about Dora the Explorer, he or she is going to say Nickelodeon. So we can say that these two icons represent some company and it is joined with political class. For the other side, we have the cultural class. It is related with lifestyle, and here we can include the outfits that characterizes each icon. Mickey Mouse is present with his traditional outfit that is a red pants, white gloves, and yellow shoes. But also we can find Mickey Mouse with different outfit like a magician or musketeer. Also, Dora has an outfit that characterizes her. It is pink t-shirt, orange short pants, white shoes, and a purple backpack. After this, we have economic class, which is defined like the accumulation of wealth. In this aspect, we know that these cartoons have different articles like toys, mugs, or clothes, and these stuffs have some price that generates some profit to the article producer company. For this, we can conclude that Mickey Mouse and Dora have some similarities related with class. Then we have the differences, also about three class aspects. In political class, both of them are directed to different public and have different influences to them. For one side, we have Mickey Mouse. He helps kids to improve their creativity and open their minds. Then we have Dora the Explorer, who creates an ability in the kids to identify objects that they maybe are going to find in their lives. It shows that they influence different groups in different ways. Also, in cultural class, we know that Mickey Mouse have different outfits. It depends on the show or movie, but almost all of these outfits are really simple and can be rated as a medium cultural class. Then we have Dora's outfit, that almost always is the same and is really casual and represent a medium class. At the end we have economic class. We know that Mickey Mouse is older than Dora, so in this case the profits that has generated Mickey Mouse is more than Dora the Explorer, because Mickey Mouse has had more time to accumulate it. Mickey Mouse has been in the screen since 1928, instead Dora only has been since 2000. According to this, we can see that class difference between these two icons. Now, we can understand that the class is present in many things in the world, even in things that we never relate with this. Also, we can conclude that class is not only about money, stratums, or social relation. Class also relates political, economic, and cultural aspects, and we can find these three aspects in different things, even in kids' cartoons. Then, these three aspects allow to identify similarities and differences between two cartoons, such as Mickey Mouse and Dora the Explorer.